Yeah.
I'll try to remember.
Okay.
Mark. Mark. Hey, kid.
If you want to know,
Mark,
his
look.
name is Andras Bayor. Is the cellist and sort of the head of the,
Where's your nose, bud?
He's
Where's
the
your nose?
Hungarian guy.
That's your foot. Oh.
a turtle.
Yeah.
He conducts. He'll actually graduate in December. Well, he'll finish up his program in December.
Your foot.
He's waiting for his thesis to be approved by one of his advisors.
Say hi, Mark.
But he's
Are you trying to get up?
he's Mexican.
No.
Moved from Mexico City.
Can I have a high five?
Did part of his schooling in El Paso. Taught school in Washington, Missouri. Taught at a community college, and then they moved on to which is where he got his doctorate. And
Mark, can you
we helped
dance?
him and his wife. It was a bad situation. Well, not bad situation, but sad. They were right now. He conducts.